them pacheno. Yes. And you evening the end so I say evening 1 year and so 30% on them pacheno. Enti minewa yemfa okay you the yemfa we. Hi everybody, welcome to this channel. Please subscribe before we continue. Subscribe to this channel before we continue. Have you heard of Hablamos? Have you heard of Caminos Barcelona? They are language courses that are being run by a reputable or respected institution in Barcelona or Madrid that is always used for visa. Now everybody wants to travel to Germany and Belgium and go and worry about block account and other stuff. Sometimes you have to look at 1 or 2 ways to these countries that have a normal and easy visa pathway that you are not going to need any block account and other stuff. So subscribe to this channel because I have something important that you may need. All right, subscribe and I'll take you through the step-by-step way of applying to Caminos Barcelona so that you'll get your admission and visa supporting document, and then you book your appointment for a visa interview. And let me tell you one thing, when you go to Spain with a language visa, you can work more than somebody who is studying a degree program in Spain. Stay tuned, subscribe to this button and press the notification button. Enemy show school back one Nubia a war Spain. Now what a Caminos Barcelona dinda. So my mention of Faswa Ube Caminos Barcelona. Now first of all, omo long things. Omo here with degree and answer certification. The answer wa book is our back course now be na baby mo culture no. Ombe sendo process no payment process no akotua. Utua we omode o document amount. Now I book it for appointment a pay bank statement. Now akwaje visa. Oko visa no. Nese oma fa ma wa fa de omo ka che no bre wo mo ombe refund o sika nyina ma. Nti yenko call browser. All right, and then search for Caminos make wrong Caminos Barcelona Spanish School. All right, so this is Caminos Barcelona. So on Caminos Barcelona eno any nti ubaha fefe say na what you say. So Caminos Barcelona see their courses courses na wo bebre no courses na wo bebre nti courses no wohwe mu a your intensive course 20, your super intensive, your intensive conversation course, your super intensive private. Okay, and then it's supposed to be okay. Let me accept this. Sorry. So courses now your 1 year morning Spanish course 20. What you say? Your afternoon dear ho. And so network was so high. Or you see 30% afternoon on them pacheno. Yes. And your evening the end so I say evening 1 year and so 30% on them pacheno. Enti minewa yemfa na okay you the yemfa we. Evening 1 year 30% off. What I say? Enti evening long term evening Spanish course. Enti braha. Abomidin ni mi email a show. What I say? Yen select country no Ghana. They select Ghana. Was it choose course? Nti yanko choose long term English, long term in evening. Okay, you choose course no. Long term evening Spanish. Okay, all right. So date ben I will start it. Yemfa 10th August. Okay, number of weeks minimum 27 weeks. So let's get the price. All right. So where's the price? You see the price? 1,618 euros. This is the price. So because the 30% discounts, this is the price, and this is the registration fee. Alright, so that is it. You see, so you are going to pay this. So when you pay this to them, you have already paid for all the costs. You will not pay any money until you complete the school and you say you are enrolling in any other course. Alright, so there's here you check accommodation that is available. So the accommodation that is available, let's see. Accommodation, do you want student apartment, continue without accommodation, or host family, or any other thing? So you see the rooms. So you come here and you check the rooms that you like. Somehow, let's pick here. Continue without accommodation. The accommodation section, and you come here. If you want accommodation, you choose student apartment and you just arrange for your accommodation. Okay, so you just come here, maybe student something something, or maybe you choose private room or anything. You can just spec it to your preference, or you can just come here and continue without accommodation. Maybe you have your own stay, or maybe you have any brother or sister there that you're going to stay with, or you've booked a hotel. If you get there, you will navigate and find your own apartment or something, and then you click next step. So when you click next step, it will bring you here. Alright, okay, so you want any special request. Now special request, you can tell them to, let's say, give you, no, they are going to give you visa supporting document. But if you want any special request, a specific thing, then you write it there. If you don't have any special request, you just go ahead and book. Alright, go ahead and book. Now if you go ahead and book, they will send you an email to the information you provided. Alright, and then you take it from there. You go to the bank, you make your payment. When you make your payment, you alert them through the email. They send the information to you, and then they will issue your visa supporting document, and voila, you are good to go to interview and get your visa and travel to Spain. When you get to Spain and you don't like Spain, you have families in Germany, and then you move from there. You get me? Or Ojane Wajakpa on them patron. Sana Edeyeno. Ntino. This is Caminos Barcelona. There are a lot of schools in Spain that are like this. Some are even affordable than this. So if you want more, let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe. Please subscribe to this page and comment below.